gosh, look at this. Oh wow, this is a huge. Holy crap. Oh, I gotta get inside. It's like so windy out here. Oh, the debris. It's gonna bring damaging winds. All the stuff flying in the air, dude. Wow. Beauty. Coming right over us. Alright, here comes the rain. I better get inside. Oh my gosh. We got a nice line. Oh god. Oh, there's hail. There's hail. There's hail. And it's pouring rain. There's a mini microburst reported nearby. Okay, we're just getting started here. Holy crap. Holy cow. We're getting hit by a microburst. Oh my gosh. Oh! Holy cow. I can barely see. Oh wow. Wow, there's hail, I think, reported.